Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 38 from our advanced flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now, like I mentioned, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 38, and yeah, this is pretty much a form of rectangle, or how should I say it, a rectangle with 4 circle cutouts. So previous video we looked at this rectangle with 2 circle cutouts where you could set the individual location of each circle. Now in today's one, once again, the 4 circles are going to be working together their general location. So let's have a look at that and just see what's happening. So let's go to our parts or flat parts. I'm going to go to P38, and if I had to zoom in here on our little preview diagram, we can see we've got a few options. So we've got, first of all, we've got A, which is the width of our rectangle, and then we've got B, which is the height. And over here we've got D times 4 or times 4D, which is the diameter of the circles that is going to be cut out. And then we've got here the X1 and Y1. So this will be, X will be how far it is from the side of the rectangle to the middle of our circle. And the Y will be how far from the bottom to the middle of our circle. So let's just set in a quick values here and just look at that. So I'm going to make mine a square. So it's got 200 by 200. The diameter of my circles, I'm going to maybe make about, let's go about 50. And then yeah, so now we want to set the X and Y. Now obviously keep in mind you want to set this so there's enough space on the side. So we've got about 25, so anything over 25 should not have it touching the sides. So I'm going to go about, let's try about 40 and 40. Let's just preview that and see what we've got. There we go, it looks rather presentable. So the important thing about this shape, obviously, like I mentioned, keep in mind the diameter for your X1 and Y1 is relevant to the center of your circle cutout. So the bigger your circle is, the bigger those diameters have to be. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to manual quantity 1, say add this, and then we add this quickly to our canvas or our cutting plane. There we go, that's P38. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.